guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya, for any of you that are new and viewing. In today's video, I am trying out a V-part wig from UNice hair. They were kind enough to send this unit over for me to try for you all today, so let's get started. So UNice will pack up your wig with a bunch of goodies that will really help with installing your wig. Here's what the unit looks like. Super curly, very, very pretty. I love this pattern. So inside of a V-part wig, this one specifically, they do give you a lot of security tools so that your wig will not be slipping and sliding. This unit has 5 clip-ins at the front of the unit that surround the V-part area. You also have some combs that are near your temple area. And then you also have combs in the back as well as adjustable straps. I am going to utilize my adjustable straps because I want my unit to feel very snug and secure. Not so snug that it's giving me a headache, but snug enough that I know it's not going to slip and slide. So since this unit is a V-part wig, I am going to section off my hair in the front in the shape of a V. These units are able to be worn without leave out if you prefer it that way. But I am going to wear mine with some leave out because it just is what makes me more comfortable. So I'm just going to start with clipping in the clips in the front of the unit near the V-part area. And make sure those are very tight and secure. So I wanted to wear my hair with a side part, so I'm going to make that V part over to the side. It is on my left side. And then I do have my leave out that I'm just going to add some mousse to, just to kind of make that blend into the wig. I add my little parting space. I'm going to comb out the wig and make sure that it is pretty much separated. It helps it look more natural that way instead of it being super tight, coil, curly. I'm gonna go off camera and add a little bit of water to the hair just to kind of tone it down a bit, because once you comb it out in its natural state, it is a little bit big, and you can definitely wear it like that if you want your hair to be super big. I personally did not want mine to be that large, so I added some water to kind of tone that density down just a tad bit. You can also add product or something like that to tone down the density as well. But once I do those few steps, that's actually all you need to do. It's a very, very much so simple process. I really, really love how simple it is to put on V-part wigs. V-part wigs are honestly a go-to, compared to U-part wigs. It's something about the way the V-parts are made. They lay so flat, like they lay really flat, and I think that's why I like them so much. You don't have to have so much hair pulled out to kind of camouflage the parting space, like the part of the wig that would show. So that is the end of this installation process. You guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to hear it. Thank you to UNice for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.